Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Now, I was in CVS on yesterday, and they were playing the music so loud that I had to re-record this video, and that's what I did. Okay, what I'm showing you now is where I bought some perfume from. They had this perfume reduced. It was, I believe it was $1.27 or $1.29. I bought 3 of them. I also bought some Crest mouthwash. You see me showing you that? I bought the Crest mouthwash. They had been reduced to $1.94. And what happened is that I had $1 off coupon, so I ended up getting it for $1. So that was great. Okay, so I'm showing you again the Physicians Formula. The Physicians Formula was you spend $10, you get $7 back in extra care bucks. And I also had a 4 or 15 when you buy cosmetics that came out of the red box. So I bought the Physicians Formula, and I also bought some CoverGirl, a CoverGirl product. So that gave me, that made it possible for me to get the $4 off 15. All right, so I'm showing you my CRTs that I got. Our machine was broken, so I couldn't go to the red box like I normally do. So I had to... I went to the red box. No, I went to the cashier, and the cashier was able to give me the coupons that I needed. All right. So I also bought some Shea Moisture soap. It was buy one, get one 50% off. And I needed that soap for my husband. So I had $1 off coupon that I had gotten from our beauty lady at the store. And so that wasn't bad. I'm showing you the coupon that she gave me in the store. She also gave me some bags to the beauty bags that she always gives. She always makes up. All right, so I'm showing you the Shea Moisture. This is the coconut one. And I'm talking about that. Now I'm getting toothbrushes. I'm over in the section where the music was really, really loud and you couldn't hear my voice. So I'm deciding what I want. I bought the toothbrushes. They were the spin brushes. You had to buy $10 worth, and you were getting $5 back in extra care bucks, which was great. That was awesome. I had 2 CVS coupons that one of my good friends sent me. I also had 2 manufacturer coupons for $1 off that I was able to use. And so that gave me $4 off. Then I had a $2 CRT that I wanted to use. And so that would have given me $6 off the 10. That was $4, but I was getting $5 back. So that was an awesome, awesome buy. All right. Okay, so that's what I'm showing you now. I'm showing you that. All right. I'm showing you the toothbrushes. And I was saying that I wasn't going to get them. Am I going to get them? I wasn't going to get them. But then once I realized that I was going to just be getting them for like $1 a piece, I went on and bought them because those 360 spin toothbrushes are awesome. All right. So that's what I'm talking about there, and I'm showing you the brushes. Okay, I'm showing you them. I'm still showing them to you. So anyway, guys, this has been part 1 of my video, and I'm going to come back with part 2 a little later. Just want to say thank you for joining me. Remember to have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press the notification button so you'll be notified when I put up a video. Love you much, guys. Okay? See you in the next video.